Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can enable this button there for the Huawei P20. So you can choose between the navigation bar or a navigation dot, I can show you in another video, or this navigation button here. Okay, let's go to the settings. Then we have to scroll down until the point System. Then we have here the point System Navigation. And here you could decide, you can choose between the off-screen navigation button, then the on-screen navigation key, and the virtual navigation bar. So this is the one I have here already. Okay, I want to change now to the button. So let's go to details to have a look how it works. And you have some instructions. And I will show you it now also how you can work with. Okay, we press now longer to get back to the home screen. Okay, if you have one thing open like this, you can go just back if you tap on it, or if you have many things open, if you are maybe deep in the system, let's go maybe here to the settings. Hold it longer and you are back to the home screen. If you want to see the recent tasks, just swipe swipe from the right to the left, and you see here the open task. And if you want to have the Google thing, just go with your finger next to the button and swipe it up, and you will have Google. Okay, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment. Maybe it's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. Also, thumbs up is very helpful. Thank you so much for. Yeah, and I've prepared already some other videos for the Huawei P20. If you're interested, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. And maybe until next time. Ciao.